Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent Support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create timeline actions to add tag and remove a tag using your Ontraport integration. Please log in to your AEvent account. Once logged in, please open your timeline. From this page, click on Create Action. We'll have to set when we want our action to get triggered. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be setting the time to 1 minute after the webinar has started. I'll be selecting attendees as targets for this action. Let's select Ontraport from this list. Then let's select Add Tag as our desired action. Let's select the tag we intend to add attendees to. Click on Create. We have successfully added the Add Tag action to Out Timeline. Now, let's create the action to remove a tag. Like before, click on Create Action. This time, let's set it to 10 minutes after the webinar has started. Let's select non-attendees. Again, let's select Ontraport, then select Remove a Tag. Let's select the tag we want non-attendees to be removed from, then click on Create. Perfect. We have successfully created 2 timeline actions with Ontraport. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.